Hey guys, I hope all is well. Welcome to London. So in today's video, it's going to be super quick. I'm basically going to show you two tools that I use constantly to remove people, to move unwanted objects. Here's a really extreme example of it. So this is the before and this is after. An edit like this took more like an hour, but in more simple edits, it can be probably under 30 seconds. Let's just jump straight into it. So as I was just saying, this image is a lot more complicated. This would take a lot more time, but you can really see the effectiveness of what these two tools can use. So basically, I'm gonna go into this photo, which I took in the Maldives, and first of all, start with the polygon lasso tool, this one on the top left here. So let's remove this tree stump. Really simple, click around it. You don't have to be particularly careful unless you want to keep stuff. You press backspace and you press content aware. Keep in mind though that this sometimes leaves a line, and this is where my other tool comes in useful. It's quite faint here, but you can see a line just down there. So what you do is go onto clone stamp tool and you can choose the opacity and all that and the size. But basically hold down option and you'll be painting that area into the next area, if that makes sense. So from the target to where the brush is. So yeah, these tools are really simple to use. I also use the clone stamp tool just to go around certain objects. So like this, I can easily get rid of it like so. And yeah, these tools are really simple. So I'm going to quickly whiz through this, but you guys have got the gist of it, that these two tools are the ones to use. So I'm going to fast forward, me cleaning up and the kind of things I would get rid of. So I've cleaned up all the main things I want to do in this image. I've got rid of certain things which are kind of distracting towards the main image. So yeah, these techniques are really simple. They're easy to use, but it gets a bit more complicated when you want to start replacing building parts. You have to use the clone stamp tool and copy and paste bits of the object or the building which match that certain thing. In the past, what I've done, especially with this image, I cropped in certain areas and copy and pasted it and then blended it. So I cropped like that area and copy and pasted it onto the other side and made it look the same when there was something in the way. Anyway guys, I hope you found this video very quick and very easy to follow. Please do subscribe to more stuff, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.